Hi everyone, I hope you had a good weekend. I just am making a new video. I just want to go over some stuff that I've done over the weekend to change things. So if you can see here, if I stroll down, I now have a morning message. So I wrote thank you for logging in this week. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I cleaned up all the posts from last week. It was starting to look very messy. And I've added some over here. In this box here, you can see daily activities. If you are able to, this is what I would like you to do every day. Read a book on kids A to Z. And you can see here when I move the cursor, all you have to do is click on it. It'll take you directly to kids A to Z. Log in the Dreambox. And if you haven't done that yet, please do. Draw a picture, write a sentence. This is what we did at school every day. Count by twos, fives, tens, and then try the daily activity posts. They're up for you to do for your enjoyment. If you don't get a chance to get to them, that's okay. Down here, I made a kid zone. This is also links. This one here is called Brain Pop Junior, and it's just fun science activities you can try at home. Book flicks. This is what we would watch in the library sometimes. This is for Dreambox. Epic Books. I've logged you onto that. You should have got a mail telling you how to an email telling you how to log in. If you didn't, contact me and I'll resend it. This is Kids A to Z, and this is just Go Noodle. So if you want to watch some funny videos, dance along with them, you can go there. Down here, I have the parent zone, and this is information for parents if they want to go from getting, you can read it. And then here is passwords. If you click on that, it'll take you to this box, which has Kids A to Z passwords, the Brain Pop Juniors passwords, book flick, and then the video on how to log into Dreambox. So you can go there if you need help. Below that, we have birthdays. We've already celebrated Gertrude's, Adora's, and coming up this week is Asma's. So we're looking forward to that. If you want to do a post from last week, want to try something new, I've put it here. There's content. And if you click on that, it'll take you to the content. So all the posts I did last week are here. You can see it for that week. And this week we'll have new ones. I'll just make that visible. I'll click here. And you should be able to see the post here now. And then I have the older videos that I had posted here, and then the passwords are here. And that can all be found in content. So if you want to look there. Now going back. So I'm going to clean up today's post. I'm going to clean this link up because now it can all be found in content. So you don't need to see it on the front page anymore. So I'm just going to go in here and you can watch me delete it. Delete message, delete, and it's gone. So now we have a fresh page. And I think each week now on Friday, I'm just going to tidy everything up, put it all in content if you want to see it. And that's it. So I'm going to be posting today's post in the next hour or so. It's about growing plants. So I hope you try it at home. If not, look here. These are daily activities I would like you to try. If you don't get to them, it's okay. I understand everyone is very busy and you may not have time to get to it today. These are for you to enjoy yourself. So I hope you do. Have a good day. And I'll see you guys later, hopefully on May 4th.